Multidimensional array. Multidimensional array are arrays of arrays. An array having more than one dimension is called a multidimensional array. The commonly used multidimensional array is a two-dimensional array, where you can have multiple rows and columns. For example, to store an employee name against each employee ID, you need to create a two-dimensional array. The following figure shows a two-dimensional array. Zeroth column, first column, zeroth row, first row. The creation of two-dimensional array involves two steps. First, declare an array, and second, assign values to the array. Declare an array. You can declare a two-dimensional array by using the following steps. Array type, array name, bracket, bracket is equals to new array type, row size, column size. In the preceding syntax, array type specifies the type of element to be stored in array. Array name specifies the name of the array using which the element of the array will be initialized and manipulated. Row size specifies the number of row, and column size specifies the number of columns. The following code snippet declares a two-dimensional array. String bracket bracket words equals to new string, fourth row, second column. The preceding code snippet creates an array of string words which contain 4 rows and 2 columns. Assigning values to the array. You can assign values to each element of the array by using the index number of the element. For example, to assign the value lpap to the 0th row and 0 column, and apple to the 0 row and the first column, you can use the following code snippet. Words 00 equals to lpap, words 01 equals to apple. Here first bracket is for row and the second bracket is for column. You can also assign values to the array at the time of declaration as shown in the following code snippet. String bracket bracket jumble words equals to new string bracket bracket. ये array name है और ये value है इस array के अंदर की. The preceding code snippet stores string values in a two-dimensional array jumble words as shown in the following code figure. 0th row 0 column lpap, 0th row first column apple, first row 0 column agneo, first row first column orange, third row 0 column agrsp, third row first column grapes. Accessing two-dimensional array. To access the two-dimensional array, the following syntax is used. Array name, row, column. In the preceding syntax, array name specifies the name of the array and row and column specifies the location of the array element. Consider the following code snippet. Jumble word is array and this is the value which is stored in an array. और हमने प्रिंट करवाया जम्बल वर्ड 00 को, यानी कि फर्स्ट वाले को ELAPP को प्रिंट करवाया जो 0 रो और 0 कॉलम पे प्लेस है. In the preceding code snippet, the jumble words array is a two-dimensional array that stores the jumble word and their corresponding correct word in each row. The jumble word 00 code accesses the element stored at the row index 0 and the column index 0 and displays it. However, if you want to display all the elements, you can use the for loop as shown in the following code snippet. अब हम इसमें अगर हमें इन सारी वैल्यू को एक्सेस करना है तो हमें फॉर लूप लगाना पड़ेगा. ये जंबल वर्ड एरे, ये सब वैल्यूज में हमने पहले प्रिंट करवाया एलिमेंट स्टोर्ड इन एन एरे आर, फिर फॉर लूप चलेगा और ये सब प्रिंट हो जाएंगे एक एक करके. In the preceding code snippet, the for loop are used to iterate through the array jumble words The outer for loop is used to iterate the array row wise, and the inner for loop is used to iterate the array column wise. The preceding code snippet can be modified to use the length property as shown in the following code snippet. ये हमारा ए नाम का array है, ये हमारा ए नाम का array है और ये इसके अंदर वैल्यू, ये for loop चलेगा और इसमें लेंथ पता चलेगी, इसमें लेंथ प्रिंट होगी. In the preceding code snippet, a.length is used to calculate the total number of rows and ai.length is used to calculate the total number of columns in the row. मतलब रो और कॉलम दोनों कैलकुलेट होके आ जाएंगे उसमें, वो वाला कोड यूज़ करके. Further, you can use the following code snippet to display all the elements stored in the two-dimensional array using the for each loop. अब हम for each loop यूज़ करेंगे. ये जंबल वर्ड एरे है, ये इसमें वैल्यू पहले आएंगे प्रिंट होके फ्रूट्स आर, फिर ये फॉर लूप लग के ये सारे प्रिंट हो जाएंगे फॉर ईच लूप लग के. इन द प्रेसिडिंग कोड स्निपेट द फॉर ईच लूप इज यूज टू आइटरेट थ्रू द एरे जंबल वर्ड्स. द एरे वेरिएबल आई इज यूज टू स्टोर द रो डाटा एंड द वेरिएबल जे इज यूज टू स्टोर द कॉलम डाटा ऑफ ईच रो.